So, hi everyone, my name is Sarah Kraft and I'm a first year student here at UNH, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my analysis of FedEx's sustainable initiatives. So, to provide some background on the company, FedEx is a corporation that provides services to consumers through a portfolio of transportation, e-commerce, and business services. FedEx began operations as Federal Express in 1973 with the initiative to offer a faster method of delivery. Over the years, Federal Express rebranded as FedEx and divided the company into 6 different branches. You can see them over on the right side of the slide. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to go into detail on each one, but the branches include FedEx Express, Ground, Freight, Logistics, Services, and Office. So even with this division, FedEx holds a constant vision for the company. I provide their vision statement on the slide if you'd like to read through the entire thing, but it's pretty much just stating that through these branches, FedEx wants to provide superior returns to their shareholders. They plan to achieve this by meeting customer requirements, establishing strong relationships with their stakeholders, and finally prioritizing safety, ethics, and professionalism in the workplace. So in order to create value for their customers, FedEx utilizes a reduce, replace, revolutionize business strategy. They're focused on reducing their environmental impact, replacing inefficient materials and operations, and lastly, revolutionizing the courier industry by continuing to discover and implement new technologies and solutions. They've implemented the strategy to target 4 specific areas, which you can see right here. So starting off with their facilities, FedEx has constructed a design to reduce the energy expended. They've also replaced lighting fixtures and other equipment to keep their materials running as efficiently as possible. In 2019 alone, lighting retrofits and energy management systems saved around 254 million kilowatt hours of energy. And also solar and fuel cell technology generated over 36 million kilowatt hours of clean energy. To ensure that all materials are sustainable, FedEx has guaranteed that packaging is 100% recyclable and constructed of 45% recycled materials. Also, 99.8% of the paper purchased by FedEx Office in 2019 was certified as sustainable. To address aircraft efficiency, FedEx implemented FuelSense, which is a program designed to analyze aircraft productivity and find ways to save as much fuel as possible without impacting the quality or safety of the aircrafts. So with the help of this program, as of 2019, aircraft emissions have been reduced by 24%. Lastly, in terms of vehicle efficiency, FedEx has made a big commitment. They have the goal to transition to a fully electric fleet of delivery vehicles. So to do this, the corporation has partnered with General Motors to develop new vehicles and add-ons to improve not only their environmental impact, but employee and customer satisfaction as well. As of 2019, FedEx has increased vehicle efficiency by 40.9%. So before I move on, I want to just mention that each of these activities involves investing in practices that will reduce costs in the long run, creating environmental and economic value for FedEx. So another way FedEx plans to reduce their environmental impact is through their carbon neutral commitment. This was announced in March of 2021, and by 2040, 100% of the FedEx delivery fleet will consist of zero-emission electric vehicles, and all shipping and packaging will be carbon neutral. FedEx also plans to invest in alternative fuels and continue updates to their facilities. So around $2 billion will be donated to these areas, including $100 million that will be invested in research and development of carbon sequestration at Yale. So FedEx is really setting the bar even higher for the industry with this commitment. In order to keep their team members satisfied through all of this innovation, FedEx offers numerous benefits. Some basic ones include bonuses, medical coverage, and paid leave. Employees also have the opportunity to receive awards for their performance, 2 of which I've listed here if you'd like to read through them. In addition to this, FedEx practices quality-driven management in the workplace, which involves putting employees first so that they will in turn serve the customer to the best of their ability. So to wrap up this presentation, I wanted to just briefly discuss the future for FedEx, starting with their carbon neutral commitment. This is a great opportunity for FedEx to create value for all the stakeholders, but could quickly become a liability if they're not able to achieve it by 2040. A beneficial starting point for FedEx could be through partnerships. With multiple companies, there are more funds available, and working with competition shows the industry that they care about more than just profit. Other than this, FedEx should continue to practice quality-driven management in the workplace and also begin to spread awareness for planet initiatives through informational seminars conducted by their leaders. FedEx is a well-known brand, and the more people who hear about their success, the more people will follow and take part in their own sustainable practices.